Good afternoon. I'm Charlotte Hogue, Avon District Sales Manager for District 1070. I'm sorry I never got to meet you and work with you. However, you had left our team before I came in. However, I look forward to meeting you and having you back on our team and working with you. Several things have changed since you've been gone, and they all have been exciting. Avon brought back our home living brochure, and the new one's coming out in the spring. Also, this year, we're celebrating our 130th anniversary. Yes, 130 years of being in business. And to help us celebrate that, Avon is having a 2016 Mercedes-Benz sweepstake drawing. Yes, sweepstake drawing for a 2016 Mercedes. And it's all based on your sales. So the more you sell, the more interest you have to go into the drawing for chances to win that Mercedes-Benz. Avon also brought back the guaranteed 40% earning opportunity on your first 4 campaign orders when they're a minimum $100 orders. And yes, a minimum $100, that's easy. That's just 3 customers, because in our District 1070, the average customer spends $35. Yep, $35 a campaign. So that's just 3 customers. Also, Avon has launched the Refer a Friend program, and that's simply where you offer the Avon and share the Avon opportunities with family, friends, coworkers, or anyone you meet. And you have the opportunity to earn a $35 check just for offering the Avon earning opportunity to them and helping them to start their Avon business. We will, in Campaign 4, when they launch the guaranteed 40% earning opportunity, we will be in Campaign 4 brochure, which is our annual new stock up campaign. Yes, the great, amazing new skincare. Then following in Campaign 5, we're launching the new Perfect Matte Lipstick. And we all know females cannot have enough lipstick shades in their pocket, purses, wherever. So I look forward to having you back on our great Avon team and sharing with us all these great opportunities for the year 2016. Oh, I almost forgot. Since this is our 130th anniversary, Avon is having a Rep Fest in Las Vegas. Yes, Las Vegas. They have this amazing talent lined up, and we will be able to preview our 4th quarter product line. I'm so excited, and I hope you will come back to our team and be with me in Las Vegas for this great, amazing Rep Fest. And you can contact me after you watch this video with our new cell number, and it is 601-398-5421. Once again, 601-398-5421. Or you can contact your upline if you previously had an upline, and they will be as excited as I am to have you back. Or simply just go to www.startavon.com and use the code D as in David 1070. Once again, I hope you will come back and give me the opportunity of working with you and celebrate all of your achievements in 2016. Thanks and take care. Bye-bye.